Welcome to Bell Quiz. It's math quiz time. 12 seconds per question. For points for every correct answer. Ready? Let's go. First question. Think fast. "20. Number 2. Try to answer. "7. Can you solve this? -7. Question number 4. "14. Number 5. Be careful. "8. Question number 6. "11. Question 7. Can you solve this? "12. Number 8. "17. Question number 9. "16. Number 10 looks easy. Think again. "33. Number 11. "18. Can you solve this question? "10. Number 13. "22. You have 12 seconds. Go. "17. Question number 15. "28. Most people get this wrong. "19. Number 17. "40. Number 18. Don't rush. "23. Question number 19. "33. Last one. "18. You made it. Write your score in the comments.